Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD basic tutorial how to use Inflate tools. First in here I will use image to 3D and then I will insert image. You can use this image, you can click open. The next I will click OK. Now in here I will use rotate command to rotate these objects in right axis into 90 degree. Okay, you can move these objects to the top. Next, we can change into top view, and then we can use Inflate command. You can click here deform and then click Inflate. Now we can inflate in green axis. You can move to the top, so it will be correct a cube in this face. Okay, di sini. The next, we can use mirror tools. You can click utilities and click mirror. It will be mirror. I will mirror in bottom or top views. You can click preview. So this is for mirroring. You can click OK. Now in here we can use Inflate again. You can click deform and click Inflate. And then I will use Inflate in green axis. Move to the bottom here. Okay. Now you can click OK to apply. So we already inflate these 3D models with simple steps. Very easy to use Inflate tools in SelfCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.